Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this third day of June 2026. And we're going to go to our old friend, the strong candle indicator, which is this little green triangle below this green candle saying, go ahead and trade this market to the top of the screen. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So now we need to look at what our targets might be. We look over here at the PVI, it's pretty strong. I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 120 to 100 ticks in length. So we're going to go for we went actually for a longer target. So let's put that out there. The 21s, 50s, and 100s. And that's what we're going to do. So we just need this to come back and push retrace off this brick wall, and then we're good to go on this very strong candle that closed over a major pivot. So we want to come down and test it, make sure it wants to stay above that pivot. Then we're going to put our order on the body of the candle and head to the top of the screen. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. So here we go. So just regular speed until we get picked up in the trade. Do, 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 do. That's going pretty well, but it is going to come down and test this previous pivot, and then we're going to head up. So just be patient. Patience is all part of the plan. It will speed this up so we can get it to come down a bit. Okay, it's got to come down and touch it until it comes down to do the push retrace. We're not going to get involved. There we go. Now, whenever we close a strong candle over a pivot, we wait for the market to push back. And in many cases, a lot of people will use this retrace for their stop, which greatly reduces the risk reward relationship here. And we could do the same thing. We're going to de-risk the trade anyway once we hit our 20 tick target. So 20s are out. And now we just wait and see if we can catch our runners to 50 and 100. It took a while before the retrace happened. So um, it's probably not going to wind up paying in just one candle. Probably going to take a couple to get that done. That's okay. That's perfect. It did still closed outside the range of the previous candle. There's nothing to do but sit here and wait. Everything's the way it should be. And now that it's tried to go down again and failed, we should get a really nice push up on this point. There we go. 50s are out. It took a while, and then it's just going to run wild up to our 100 tick target. Do, 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 do. Sometimes you just have to be patient, especially with those larger targets. I thought this only took two candles to take out. I'm pretty sure it did. So we must get a rush here at the end of this particular candle. Okay, so it took the next candle to do. All right, so that pretty much took just over 10 minutes to complete. and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in just over 10 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicators that you won't find anywhere else. And it just makes trading such a breeze. All right, everybody, well done. And we'll look forward to seeing everybody next time. Until then, God bless you, and we'll see you then.